you consider yourself a feminist?
I feel like feminist has a really strong connotation of like these women that are very anti-men, which in that sense I don't think I am. But in the sense that I agree with inequality and I strive for equality. And right now, women earn 75 cents to every dollar a man makes. So I'm pro equality. And if that makes me a feminist, then yes, but I think I'm not the extreme feminist that comes to it.
What do you think feminism means? What's the definition of feminism to you?
I think feminism means that you simply believe that women have the same rights as men and that they are equal to each other.
What are your views on gender equality?
We actually did a quarter of AP Lang on gender inequality or gender equality, and I did a project on how our gender roles in the home actually influence gender roles outside of like the home and like the workplace or whatever. And we said that like because women are like tied to their babies through like breastfeeding and stuff like that, that kind of makes them more apt to do a lot of the household work, which also makes them less apt to do like higher jobs like CEOs and stuff like that. So I feel like that is like a major divide in like gender equality in the workforce. But also I feel like men now have more of a responsibility to do some of that housework and to kind of help out so that there is more equality. And I feel like there's a real push for gender equality now more so than like maybe 20 years ago.
Would you consider yourself a feminist?
Yeah, I'm a feminist. I think everyone should have equal rights, not mattering on gender or race or anything.
Hi, I'm Emily Steele, and I studied chemical engineering at the University of Rhode Island. I'm currently working at Sikorsky as a materials and process engineer.
Do you like what you do at Sikorsky and what you studied at University of Rhode Island?
Yes, I enjoyed studying engineering and I enjoy working at Sikorsky. I like environmental sciences and being able to apply my knowledge, working on solutions to better the environment.
Do you find it's hard being a woman in this field?
I do not find it hard being a woman in this field. We have just as much right to be there as anybody else.
How do you feel about men who wear makeup?
It doesn't bother me because if you think about it, our faces are kind of like canvases, and so if men and women can paint, shouldn't they be able to paint their own faces the way they want to? And that's technically makeup, so.
Do men who wear makeup make you uncomfortable?
Well, seeing as I do theater, so I have worn makeup before. Like, a lot of makeup before. So it doesn't really bother me that much. If you think you look pretty in makeup, you probably do, so you go with that, ma'am, dude.
What are your views on same-sex marriage, people having the right to marry whoever they want?
That's a very good question. I'm really not opposed to it, but I think for society, I think it causes a problem because I think it will create a lot of identity issues for children who really don't understand the concept of men liking men, women liking women. Am I for it? Would I advocate for it? No. But does it bother me personally? No. But if the individual wants to get married to another guy, or if the lady wants to get married to another girl, I don't see why not. But it will cause problems as far as societal norms, yes.